We're doing exam 2, problem 2. So this one, they want to use graph of f of t to sketch f prime of t and f double prime. Okay, so we see this graph of f of t. So the first thing we want to see to graph this is where the max and min are. As we can tell, the max is going to be, the minimum is going to be at negative 5, 5. Let's say min. And the maximum over is going to be here, max. So we know the two absolutely values. So let's write these down. So this is 5, 6, 7. So there's 5, 6, 7. Right, period right there. And then there's something right here. This looks like a saddle. A saddle's pretty much when it's constant. It's neither increasing nor decreasing. It's just constant. So this is going to be a saddle. So we can. This is also where a max or min is. So we can write up here, right there. And at 5 as well. So these are the 3 dots we need. And the only reason we want this is because when we find f prime, we're trying to find the maxes or the min. Okay, let's do the next step. The next step is one where we want to see where the function of f of t, if the slope is positive or negative. The easiest way to go is from left to right. Since we can see from the left, it's decreasing. So we know this needs to be decreasing to increasing. So we can do something like this. Boop. And boop. It must go all the way down. And since the constant's right here, it's increasing as well. Increasing and decreasing. So it must be the same thing, like that. However, this does not look straight. This is not smooth enough. So let's rewrite this like this. Make sure to make the graph smooth, or else you might get points marked off. So something like that. No, that's a bit unsmooth. Let me retry this one more time. Okay. That looks like a bit better. Okay. Alright. And then let's rewrite this since it's a bit thick. Boop. Boop. Alright. That looks perfect. Alright. Now we want to find f double prime of t. So we're going to use the same thing, same ways, and see what happens. So we see there is a maximum, 2 maximums. One right here, and one right here. And we can see from both of them, it's going to be at 5, and 1, 2, 3. So let's go over here, and it's 5, and 1, 2, 3, right there roughly. And there's going to be this saddle right here, so like at 1. Bam. Okay, now let's figure out where it is. Since this function is increasing now, not decreasing, it's increasing since it's left to right. This is going to go all the way up. Done. However, this is decreasing since it's going up to down. So it's going to be something like that. And then this one's only increasing. So we do that. So something like this. But let's just make it look a bit more prettier since this looks like gibberish on a graph. There we go. That looks better. And the reason this is negative is because it's right here. So since this increases but decreases, so we must decrease then increase, if that makes sense. Okay, thank you.